Do you run a laser on your CNC? Well, if you've been on the fence about it, you're going to want to see this. Say hello to the 64-watt Pro from JTech Photonics. This monster of a diode laser packs 64 watts of face-melting laser power in a compact plug-and-play design. But let's say you don't need 64 watts. Well, this laser is switchable between 3 power modes: 24 watt, 44 watt, and 64 watt. It's like 3 lasers in one. 24 watts will give you a finer beam for more detailed engraving. 44 watts will handle engravings faster and cuts like a dream. And 64 watts is like an atomic bomb, cutting through thick material lightning fast, ideal for fast production work. It quickly and easily attaches to your spindle mount and connects to any Onefinity CNC with a single cable. Built-in air assist and a convenient low-power aiming function, allowing you to quickly set your work origin without having to enter commands on your controller. This is the most powerful, most versatile laser that we've offered yet. It's available on our website and it's fully supported by Onefinity. Visit OnefinityCNC.com to learn more and order yours today.